Okay, new camera, new way of recording. We're going to try this. I'm at my good buddy Jerry's, and he makes ribbons. For all of you who have ever won an award ribbon anywhere, this is how it's made. This is the type of machine that does it. And Jerry is going to show us how this thing works. So,
this is a complete computerized press. It's a Kenso. It's been remodified. It'll take up to 2 rolls of ribbon. It'll take 4,000 foot of foil. It'll cut all the way up to 6 foot in length down to 1/4 of an inch. To run the thing, you press the length of the ribbon you want. I want the ribbon to be 3.5 inches long. Change it. I want the count to be 450. Change it again. I want the dwell to be 21. The dwell is it tells the head how long to stay down and go back up. Now we're going to run some ribbons so you can see, and then we're going to measure the length of the ribbon and how it's cut. We're going to put it on run right now. Stop the machine.
is that past all the sample cuts we were doing?
Yeah.
While he's gathering those up, I just want to take a minute. I want to explain, if you're not familiar with what this is called hot stamping. So this head right here gets really hot. In this case, we're at 214 degrees. So between the heat and the pressure down on the ribbon here, it's able to transfer this foil to match the dye that we already have in there. And let me flip this up so you can kind of see what we have going on here. So in this case, it's a State of Oregon seal.
And the imprint is always in the same place, wherever you mark. It can be adjusted anywhere within this length of, it's 2 foot. You got adjustment of 2 foot on any ribbon that you can go back and forth on.
And it's also important to note, it does have adjustments in and out. When we first set it up, we had to take and mess with it. You can adjust not only the ribbon, but the head itself. See what you got.
Here's 7 ribbons that have been imprinted with the seal, and they're all 3.25 inches in length, right to a T. You can see the cut on them on both ends. They're both equal, and the imprint's always in the same place all the time.
So wherever you set that imprint to go, it's going to stay.
Stay there.
Nice.
The length of the machine can be raised or lowered with the head assembly. It has a 10.5 inch chase on it. Electrical on it for heat will go from 0 to 500 degrees. It's set automatically.
And what voltage does the machine run at?
This machine
Is it 110 or 220?
this here. Just a moment. Stop it. I gotta look. I don't know. Everything else.
Well, I'm not going to stop it. I'm going to make you just look on camera. I was just curious.
110.
It's just 110. That's what I was going to say.
It's 110. Our machines are 110 and 220.
But this one's 110, and that's it, huh?
That's it.
So there you go. If you've never seen how these are made, and if you've always wondered what goes into producing ribbons, this is a little taste of it. This guy does massive quantities. You would not believe how many thousands of ribbons come out of this shop, my friends. So it's been a while since I've posted videos, and I just thought you might find this interesting. Oh, we got something else. So this is another ribbon press. This one's a freestanding model.
This is a 15-ton press. It's converted, it's all computerized. The same as the other machine. All our machines are computerized, so you have no problem with it. If you do have a problem, we set you up with a person. You get on the phone, you call him. He'll tell you what to look for and what not to look for.
So for the people on that watch my channel, I just want to highlight something here, which is when you say these are computerized, people don't realize what year were these machines originally built.
This was made in 1969, this machine.
So these were not originally with any computers because we didn't have computers in the workplace then. And in order to do that, it took a pretty massive conversion, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of work.
Now, another thing. This guillotine has been on this machine for 5 years. And if you look at the cut is nice and fresh all the time. There's no burrs or anything on either end.
Nice. So good quality steel for that.
Okay, that's it.
All right. Well, there you go, everybody. That's how ribbons are made. This is our little episode of how it's made. I hope you find it interesting. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box, and I'll find out the answers for you.